Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a WhatsApp AI agent using Node.js. By the end of this video, you'll have a WhatsApp AI agent for customer support that your Node.js application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Head over to AI Studio, open Vibe Agent, and start typing your prompt to define what the AI agent should do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered WhatsApp AI agent that helps customers with common banking queries like account information, transaction questions, and card-related issues when users reach out to your business on WhatsApp. The agent should verify user identity and provide necessary support. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your WhatsApp agent. Now open the API request trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API auth ID and API auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API request details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a customer reaches out for support on WhatsApp. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Node.js. Plivo generates a ready-made Node.js snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone Node.js script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a customer starts a WhatsApp customer support conversation. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Node.js snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your WhatsApp AI agent. Here's how it looks like. And that's it. Your WhatsApp AI agent for customer support is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Node.js application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and support customers on WhatsApp seamlessly.